Blessings to all. Today I want to show you how to keep records of employees efficiently and effectively in MS Excel. I have made a model to keep records of employees, and this can be used in all firms or companies. In this tutorial you will see a complete automatic way of maintaining records of employees right from making salary based on attendance sheet to personal details and salary receipt. So let's start. As you can see, the highlighted part of the table is the salary details of employees. An attendance sheet that calculates salaries automatically. Here each cell is a drop-down list to select an option of choice. And I have defined keys down here. In this cell, I want to change the option from A to B, and the values of relevant cells will automatically change. Again, I change the option of another cell and it changes the values of relevant cell. Let's try another. I have applied conditional formatting in these cells, so the employees with more than 2 days off in a month will be shown in red. Let's check an employee with more than 2 days off. You can see more than 2 days off is automatically shown in red. Let's try another. The cell becomes red too. Here in each cell I applied data validation rules with conditional formatting. Each cell contains drop-down menu from which we have to choose the desired option for each employee. Here in each cell, each option has its own color, which is different from other options. Here are some more examples of data validation drop-down menu. Entering remarks for each employee using drop-down list is a good idea, because it not only enters data with more accuracy but saves time. I am checking all of these. Each option comes up with its own color. Now let's check the form I have made based on this table information. As I choose an employee from drop down combo box, it fetches all the information related to an employee from the table shown before. Now I am going to show you how it is created in a complete step-by-step procedure. Stay tuned with us and please subscribe our channel Excel Info.